What's going on, everybody? It's JT from 7 Figures Marketing, back with another video. In today's video, I want to share with y'all my recent results in the last 24 hours with running max bounty offer and Instagram story ads, or however you want to call it, CPA marketing and Instagram story ads. But as you can see, we ended up spending $35 today, and you see we're getting 8 cents per link click. And let's look at the yesterday stats before I show y'all my max bounty reporting. So we spent 35 today and spent 96 yesterday. So I don't even feel like adding this up in my head. So I'm just go to the calculator. 35. Boom. So in the last 24 hours, we spent $131. And let me go bring it back to today. So let's log into, I already logged into both of my max bounty accounts just for time's sake. But we made $1.60 today, $11.20 yesterday. Now this is not the main account I was running the traffic on, so don't be laughing at my results right now. But I got it pulled up in incognito on my other account. You can see 151, 231 yesterday. So 151, 231. Go back to the calculator. 131. You can leave that right there. What was it at? 151 for today. 231 yesterday, and then in this account we had $1.60 and 11.20. 0.6 plus 11.20. Oh damn, I messed up. Let me see. 11. Man, can I edit? Oh wow. 11.20, 240, 243. So we can do around 243 plus 151. Just go with that. 243 plus 151. So in total, we made around 394, 393, and we spent a total of 131. So we spent 131, made around that much. Just pretty good numbers, man. Testing out in this new Instagram story ad with the offer from Max Bounty is working pretty good, man, so far. And if you haven't became a member of the elite course, what are you doing, man? All the stuff, all the results that I'm getting with my CPA results is coming from this course. Like literally, I go over everything I know about CPA marketing with Facebook ads. That's all I'm doing. And, here's my results. Got my student results, frequently asked questions, and of course, how you can follow me. If you haven't seen like an overview of the training area, this is basically what it looks like. Start here, boom, offer selection. Go over the basics, campaigns, ads creation. Now, I don't want to go through all of this, word from word. And that's why I got it on my website. So you can check that out. First link in the description or in the comment section down below. But I do go over pretty much everything that I know. You also get, when you purchase the elite course, you also get 100% free lifetime updates. So any update that I make to the course, you get 100% free. And yes, I'm actually adding in another bonus done for you campaign really soon. I've been testing out so I can give to the members. And it was another thing I wanted to mention. I'm adding in the ClickBank section because mostly in here I cover with CPA affiliate networks, but I haven't really covered ClickBank in detail. So I'm about to add that into the training within the next week. So if you're excited about this, man, subscribe to the channel right now because I post everything CPA affiliate marketing with ClickBank. Like this video, leave a comment down below because I might do, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a giveaway on this video. If you made it this far into the video and you haven't picked up my elite course, and if you're kind of tight on budget, you don't really have the $73 to get the course, what I'm gonna do on this video is do a giveaway of my elite course. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. It can be anything. I don't care what it is, something positive, negative, whatever you got to say, just leave a comment down below. And on my next video, I will feature the giveaway winner live. And yeah, man, that's pretty much that. But that's all I got for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.